iWonder starts with game menu. Menu contains buttons such as Start, Option, Instructions, About, and Exit. The Start button displays game modes available to play. Option button shows game functionality such as sounds. Instruction button provides game instructions. About button shows game information and developers information, while Exit button closes the game. If the Start button is chosen, the player may choose which game mode they want to play. The player may choose between Survival, Time Trial, Quick Play, and Story mode. In Survival, no time span is given to complete a stage. The game continue until the player commit 10 wrong item click. In Time Trial, each stage must be cleared within shorter period of time. Quick Play is a normal stage like in Story mode without a story, pure gameplay. But these game modes can only be unlocked once the Story mode is finished. Story mode starts with an introduction. The main character woke up, looked out of the window, and saw his countrymen talking in different languages, leading them to misunderstanding. A voice from nowhere will speak, telling the main character that he or she is chosen to save their country from ruin. Next scene, the player will be asked for gender and player's name. After that, the game starts at stage 1. Each stage have 2 parts: the vocabulary challenge and the puzzle with word guessing challenge. In vocabulary challenge, mystery words will be given and the player must solve first the mystery word before finding the item within the group of objects scattered in the place that corresponds to the given mystery words. To solve for the mystery word, the player may click the mystery word for a clue and a riddle will show as a clue. The player must find 50 items within 5 different places to complete. After the first part, puzzle with word guessing challenge will be unlocked. The player must fix the puzzle and solve for the name of the picture that will show in the fixed puzzle. Once completed, a book will be given as a stage completion reward. The book helps the player complete a challenge. In example, books can be used on the vocabulary challenge to show the picture of an item, or locate the item depending on player's choice. In word guessing, books can be used to give some letter as a clue in guessing the name of the picture, or instantly solve the name. Once used, it will no longer be used again. The game consists of 10 stages. Each stage, the player will meet people which suffer from a problem. They can be helped by completing the stage where the player met that people. After completing all the stages, the Book of Knowledge, which states the solution to solve the problem their country is facing, will be claimed. The player loses once he or she failed to finish the stage within the time span given, and may retry the same stage. The target user of the game is high school and college teenagers and fresh graduates, who is new to the working environment, 12 to 25 years old. It is because those ages, majority has an Android device and interested in playing Android games. It has a 3D room game environment. The game will run in Android operating system with a minimum requirement of Android Jelly Bean. Unity will be the game engine used for the development. The game is limited in Android operating system. Other operating system like Windows and iOS are not supported. The game is an offline Android game.
Created using Powtoon.